Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So basically it's a very easy operation. All you have to do is to simply enter the settings. And now let's tap on the battery. As you can see, it should be on the first position. Here in this first section at the very bottom we've got the battery percentage option, and probably you've got also turned it off just like me, so we've got only the battery indicator here. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher and the battery percentage should appear next to the battery icon, and for some reason it is not visible, so let me turn it off again and tap on it again. Okay, so it is basically visible, but alright, here we've got it. So as you can see, you have to be patient, but eventually it will appear right next to the battery icon. So as you can see, you do not have to guess the level of the battery here. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just like that, but let me leave it like this, and of course, let's wait. So actually this is it. This is how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.